Oh, do you need clean cable management? All it takes is a hole saw and one of these. An on-cue grommet from Legrand. It might seem like a small piece, but it's actually one of Chris Kovechik's favorite pieces from the Legrand lineup.
Guys, once they use them, get addicted to them.
When installing AV gear, I'm sure you've run into needing to pass a wire through a wall to clean up a messy look. You might have broken out the drywall saw and cut a rectangle hole for just 1 or 2 wires. Then had to install a wall plate. But with these pass-through grommets, you can just buzz a hole with a 1.5 or 2-inch hole saw, snap them in, and be on your way. They're capable of accepting up to 4 low voltage cables. To demonstrate my point, it just so happens I have a piece of drywall right here. What do you think, Joel?
Looks good. You have a hole saw too?
You know it, brother. We got our drywall set right here. I got the drill with a 2-inch hole saw. We're just gonna drill a hole real quick. Oh.
Clean cut.
Thanks, Joel. I'll show you an up close of this grommet. Here are the screws on the front that you can use to tighten the clamps on the back to mount it to the drywall. Let's take a look at the back of this piece to show you how it secures into place. Pretty sturdy. We're gonna line up the ears, pop the rubber grommet back in, and there you have it. Well, now that we've made a thorough mess of the table, maybe we should probably clean up real fast. So now that we got this thing placed, let's go over some of the features and give you a comprehensive look at a bunch of grommets. There are 2 pass-through variation types, one with a push-in compression fit and another with extending arms for a secure clamp style fit, which is the one we just went over. On top of the pass-through options, there are also keystone insert designs, so you can easily snap in whatever keystone insert you need. These grommets are perfect for behind a TV or in the ceiling. No need to cut a square hole just to run a couple wires. Clean up those crazy looking hanging wires with OnCue's wire management grommets. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or our latest podcast episodes. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.